Man, the glass on that thing, boy, you can go window shopping in that motherfucker, boy. Would you look at that, my boy? Would you look at that? Now, YouTube, we are clear. But, bruh, take a look at that Gideon Omega. It looked like it's supposed to be on this thing, bruh. Am I lying? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Oh, man. Now, I need to zero it because it's off, but you shouldn't expect no dot to be zeroed when it come out the box. But this is a green dot, if I can find it. If I can find it. There we go. Bam. Might be a little too bright. There we go. There we go. Whew. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. It just fits. It just fits the profile. No plate needed. I don't even know what to say, bruh. Man. Her mama got ass too. I'm just playing, man. I am just playing. Please don't take me serious, bro. I am not feeling good. Well, I am feeling good now. That's why I got so many damn jokes. But, boy, I can't wait to get this out to the range, boy. Now, I'm not going to go torture test none of these optics because I done already watched torture test on them. They done already did what they had to do. I ain't dragging my damn optic through the mud because it'll never happen. It'll never happen. I'm not running my damn optic over with no car. Because the motherfucking car run me over, boy. Hey. We're going to have bigger problems than a motherfucking optic. You hear me? How y'all think this look? Because I'm surprised. Now, I was going to compare it to the Silent Wolf Zero, but I prefer green dots over red dots, so yeah. Even though this does come, they do got a red dot version, but I'm pretty sure everybody would prefer green dots over red dots. But look at the window on this thing. It's clean. It don't even like a window in there. Let me see if I can get that on. Oh my, look at that. Get the co-witness. Man, that's clean right there. But this ain't really no review because I want to go review it at the range. I just wanted to show y'all how to unbox it. But when I turn the video on, I don't even want to show y'all how to unbox it. I just want to show y'all the gun. Man. Shout out to Gideon for sending me this out. This should have came on the Echelon, bro. It's just there. I could do competition shooting with this. I can see me doing competition shooting with this, but I'm not into that. I'm not into competition shooting. Now, I get this, get my slide cut, you feel me, get my barrel ported. And this will probably be the flattest shoot gun around. This motherfucker bad. All right, let's set this thing down, man. Now, if you come in here to get inch by inch, you know, tabletop review, that's not what you're gonna get. I'll show you the box right now. I just wanted to come show y'all an unboxing of the OPTIC. This is not a review. I will be doing a review soon at the range when my voice get back, you feel me? But for right now, I'm gonna just show y'all the OPTIC, you know. Show y'all a citizen's view of this Gideon Omega. The glass on that thing, boy, you can go window shopping in that motherfucker, boy. Man, this thing is beautiful, bro. This thing is beautiful, bro. Now, if you're looking for a red dot, well, green dot, green or red dot, you know, they got it in green or red. Bam. Man, go to Gideon. I don't know where else to send you. Take your ass over there to Gideon. You feel me? And they is not paying me for this review either, so please don't think I'm capping. These damn red dots is bad ass. I don't know if the echelon making it look so damn good, but I should have threw it on the Glock or the M&P. No, I ain't gonna throw it on the M&P. But man, now just wait till my plate get here so I can throw this on one of them. I think I'm gonna throw this on. Which one should I leave on here though? The Omega or the Mediator? I'm thinking the Mediator. Because I want to throw this on a Glock build. Like, I'm trying to rebuild this Glock. Well, I didn't even start building this Glock. I just threw some bull junk on here. But order a slide and all that, you know, and throw this on there. You know, get flashlight, magwell, you know, what I said in the previous video. I ain't gonna go over it again. But should I leave this on here or should I put the Mediator on there? This is looking like a competition gun right now, boy. Without the flashlight. Let me give y'all a close up of that, man. Now, like I said before, this is not a review. This is just a preview of the content that's coming soon. The unboxing. This is an unboxing video. That's what this is. Just a sit down conversation about this OPTIC and why it look so damn good. I don't know, but we're gonna see if it work like it look. We're gonna see if it perform as good as it look, bro. Cause I'm digging that. Now, if you want to see these reviews, like this video, comment on this video. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. My next OPTIC review gonna be the Gideon Omega. Then we got the Gideon Advocate. I'm gonna throw this on my AR pistol. You know, we got a few. I got another red dot that's coming for my I ain't gonna tell you how to build I got coming, but I'm gonna just show y'all the OPTIC. You know, hold on. Don't trip. You feel me? Hey, that's all you getting out of me. That's all you getting out of me, man. That's all you getting, bro. If you want to see some more content, bro, keep liking, keep subscribing. And just stay in tune with your boy, man. We out.